आज का एपिसोड पहुंच गया है एक बैडमिंटन कोर्ट पे। आज हमारे लक्ष्य पे है खुद लक्ष्य। I play recreational badminton. This is how I grip it.
So it's just a handshake grip
yes.
like this. So you do the handshake with your racket.
See what a quick learner I am now. मेरी उम्र पे मत जाओ, बरखुरदार। Now tell me, what are the most important foundations जो हैं for an athlete on the court?
One is footwork, connection of the shuttle, and it has to always be from the center of the frame. So once you start, you always have this position, little crouch, and then you're ready to move front, you're ready to move back.
What's been the fastest smash you've recorded?
Fastest was 420 something in a match.
I get this.
इस मासूम को क्या पता था कि वो लक्ष्य सेन की स्मैश का शिकार बनने वाली है।
लाइक एन एथलीट का टेक अवे सेगमेंट का टाइम आ गया। टेक अवे मेरे लिए आप सबके लिए है दैट फॉर ऑल अस रिक्रिएशनल प्लेयर्स या फिर जो यंग प्लेयर्स हैं, से वी डोंट हैव एन एक्सेस टू द जिम, मेक अस अ क्विक सर्किट। लक्ष्य की वी डोंट गेट इंजर्ड एंड वी आल्सो बिल्ड आवर स्ट्रेंथ।
So we'll start with few stretches and then like shoulder, your hips, again your ankles. At the end, just do some plyos and some jumps so you're ready to go on court.
Sounds like a बड़ा छोटा सा वर्कआउट।
माई क्वेश्चन इज, एंड ये बड़ा इंडियन सवाल है, क्या आंटी को सबसे पहले सैक्रिफाइस ये करना पड़ा कि माँ का प्यार जो खाने में जाता है, न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट ने सबसे पहले ये बोला कि आंटी माँ का प्यार नहीं, सिर्फ जो लिखा है वही डालना है, या हमेशा से हेल्दी बनाती थी?
नहीं, वो हेल्दी ही ऑप्शंस ही चूज, बट मम्मी को समझाना कि सिर्फ दाल रोटी चावल ही खाना नहीं है। मम्मी बोलती थी अच्छा ये तो खा लेंगे, फिर इसके बाद खाना कब खाएगा।
We're all so excited to be in Bengaluru. Na sirf isliye that we're going to meet one of India's top athletes. We're shooting here at the Center for Sports Excellence, जो कि पूरे इंडिया की बेस्ट स्पोर्टिंग फैसिलिटीज में से एक है। This is where champions train. आज like an athlete पे to decode the mind, body and soul of a youngster who is one of our most promising hopes for an Olympic medal. He's an absolute champion. आज हमारे लक्ष्य पे है खुद लक्ष्य। Laksh, it is so good to see you in person. I've been such a big fan और ये मेरी बड़ी annoying habit है कि मैं कैमरा के साथ साथ रियल लाइफ में भी बहुत annoying हूँ. So I've come to barge into your training session. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
सब ठीक चल रहा है. आज भूल जाना है कि कुछ कैमराज हैं. आज वही लक्ष्य सेन चाहिए जिसके लक्ष्य पे सीधा मेडल है. Firstly, tell me, ये क्या पहले ही पता था माँ बाप को कि बेटा इतना बड़ा काम करेगा, नाम ही लक्ष्य रख दिया? हाँ, what is the story behind the name? Because it's one of my favorite names.
जो मेरे दादाजी हैं वो भी बैडमिंटन प्लेयर थे। मेरे डैड जो हैं वो बैडमिंटन खेले हुए हैं, अभी कोचिंग कर रहे हैं आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट 40 इयर्स से। एंड सो जो मेरा बड़े भाई का नाम है चिराग और मेरा नाम है लक्ष्य, तो जो मेरे दादाजी का नाम है CL सेन, तो जो पहला अक्षर था वो चिराग उनके नाम पे रखा गया और L से लक्ष्य जो फिर मेरे नाम पे रखा गया। तो आई थिंक वहाँ से वो L नाम पड़ा और उनको ये नाम आई थिंक सबसे बेटर लगा रखने के लिए। तो आई थिंक यस, घर पे यही बोलते हैं कि घर का बड़ा भाई चिराग है जो तुम्हें रास्ता दिखाएगा और तुम अपना लक्ष्य पूरा करोगे।
अरे ब्यूटीफुल। डू यू समटाइम्स सीक इंस्पिरेशन इसी से, यू नो, जस्ट विद द नेम, जस्ट विद द गोल एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट? डू यू थिंक अ लॉट अबाउट योर अल्टीमेट गोल?
For me, having goals is very important in life. I think that keeps me going, and having big goals, having short-term goals, and I think वो बहुत important है as an athlete, as an I think human being also, to have goals and to keep trying to achieve that.
24 साल के हो ना अभी? That is great. मैं 24 साल की उम्र में this is the maturity because you've been on for so long. यहाँ जितने youngsters aspire कर रहे हैं, they would want to be the next Lakshya Sen for India. But सबसे पहले मेरे को I play recreational badminton. लेकिन मेरे को ग्रिप बता दे भाई, क्योंकि यहाँ बहुत लोग हैं and I don't want to make a fool of myself. तो सबसे पहले this is how I grip it.
So it's very simple. It's like when a kid walks into the stadium. So it's just a handshake grip,
yes.
Like this. So you do the handshake with your racket like this. Yeah. And then it's always straight to your arm. So it's just very loose, and just this. And then you go forehand like this, it's very easy to open
Just this one.
to the forehand, and then when you want to play backhand, you just shift your fingers a little bit, and then you get the power from the thumb
From the thumb.
to lift the shuttle or like play backhand. So for the backhand grip, it's important to have the thumb and play all the shots. And the moment just slightly change, and then you are there. You're there in the forehand to play.
See what a quick learner I am now. मेरी उम्र पे मत जाओ, बरखुरदार. I'll go that side.
Yeah.
लक्ष्य सेन को क्या बचपन से ही बोला गया था या पता था कि आगे जाके बैडमिंटन ही खेलना है, या was it your choice?
I think in the beginning हम लोग fitness के लिए खेलते थे, and we used to play all sport. Like before going to the school in the morning, हम लोग we used to go for a run, play different sport. पापा का coaching चलता रहा, तो उनके साथ और भी players थे, तो in the morning we used to play different sports and recreationally start किया था. Then we started. Once we started performing in the state level, district level tournament जीते, then that's how we got into the sport when I was 9 or 10. But उससे पहले तक it was all fun recreation.
That's the beauty of badminton कि कोई भी ना access कर सकता है, तो 5 मिनट हम भी खेलते हैं. Now tell me what are the most important foundations जो हैं which you've developed, and you know start में लगेगी यार ये तो basic drill है, but to keep it again and again and again कि it becomes almost muscle memory and second nature. So what's the foundation for an athlete on the court?
So I think there are 2-3 very important things. One is footwork, and one is connection of the shuttle, and it has to always be from the center of the frame. So बचपन में I think what my dad used to do, एक वायर से बस एक शटल कॉक टांग देते थे, and then वो बस ऐसे रखते थे, and then you also have to play with your straight arm. Whenever you are hitting, your arm has to be straight, and वो सबसे ऊपर होना चाहिए ताकि आप सबसे ऊपर शटल कांटेक्ट करें. उतना ही कम टाइम अपोनेंट को मिलेगा. जो आप यहाँ से खेलेंगे और यहाँ से खेलेंगे उसमें डिफरेंस आएगा. तो ऑलवेज कांटेक्ट द शटल सबसे ऊपर जहाँ पे भी आपको पॉइंट मिलता है. एंड देन ऑन द कोर्ट इट्स नॉट अबाउट रनिंग, it's about footwork. So once you start, you always have this position, little crouch, and then you're ready to move front, you're ready to move back. So for the front movement, you take your left step and right step and your racket. So you never go too close to the net. You always maintain the distance, the arm racket, because this is not your arm, this is your arm. So this is your extended arm, which you have to contact the shuttle here. So उसके लिए you always take the left step and the right and come back with the same way, like with the step again. You always take the right step forward.
So for a righty, it's always the right one.
Always
that
the right step.
will be आगे. So इससे push करके
इससे
मतलब
push
just a little
करके
way.
you take the first step and then you have to almost cross over, like with the
Entirely to the court.
left leg. You move the left leg first, like this, and then
Okay.
yeah.
And then back to
And then
center.
back center, and then
And ये भी
that's it.
starting from the left, no, this will go from the right.
No, again left.
Left.
Yeah. So now what you're doing is like you're taking 2-3 extra steps. So you want to cut it down. You have to
इसीलिए हार जाता हूँ मैं यार.
measure your steps and then move on the court.
So how many to get there? 2.
Just two.
So
I know it will be
1,
difficult.
2,
Yeah.
and then back.
Back.
And
then
frame
1,
here. 1, 2,
2. Yeah. And then back.
and then back.
Back to the center. So this, and then for the side, there are 6 corners, right? So
Yeah.
for sides, you take this step and lunge like this. And then for the left side, you go this way. Or if the shuttle is closer to you, you just take this step out and you can cover, but you cannot cover the whole line. So for this, you take this step.
So actually true, yeah. Literally minimum. So यहाँ पे you're saying again left से?
Yeah,
नहीं ना? Right.
yeah. You can push from the
Push from
left
the
and then, yeah,
And इसमें?
yeah. This is good. So, yeah, this is good. And then let's try the backward stroke. So, you take the left step and then jump. Again, starting with the left. Yeah.
हाँ.
Here and then
And उधर?
and this side you can take 2-step jump and then play
So you literally end up covering all the 6 corners
in just 2 steps.
in 2 steps each.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. And then back in 2 steps
In
as
2
well.
steps. Yeah.
And इसमें
Yeah.
2 से ज़्यादा हो गए. इससे लेफ्ट से जाना है ना?
Yeah.
चलो, ready coach, go on.
Yeah.
Which
So
corner?
let's go front. One step. Yeah. Yeah. And then the left side.
Left side?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then side. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the left side. Yeah. The same way you go back.
There?
Yeah.
अरे वापस भी आना है बंदे.
And this side. Yeah. This is good. So with this one you take like little bit
steps.
smaller steps
Yeah.
and then try and
Stabilize करने के लिए,
stabilize because you're going backwards and
Yeah.
it's very important to like go backwards and not lose balance there. So you always stay on your foot and then
मैंने क्रिकेट में जब भी कोई कहता है चलो फॉर फन 140 की बॉल खेल लो, आई हैव डॉज्ड दैट, बट लक्ष्य सेन इज गोइंग टू स्मैश एंड आई हैव टू डिफेंड. What's been the fastest smash you've recorded?
I think fastest was 420 something in a match. But yeah, I think I must have done maybe like closer to that or maybe even better in the practice sometimes. But yeah, in the match, the best I have recorded is 420.
420. Okay, so let me make this clear कि now I'm about to defend लक्ष्य की smash. Match में he's recorded 420 kilometers an hour की smash, and in practice he's probably gone faster. Here you go. What would have this been? क्या speed? Roughly
It will be around 350 or something.
350. Come on, Laksh. Show me what you got, man. I get this. I get this. इस
can
मासूम को क्या पता था कि वो लक्ष्य सेन की स्मैश का शिकार बनने वाली है. Sadistic pleasure मिलता है हमको वो करने में जो बच्चों को 10 की उम्र में करना होता है. But okay, so right foot forward हमेशा, right?
Yeah, right foot forward and then always facing the net.
So my opponent is there, net is there, तो as little steps matter नहीं, फर्क नहीं पड़ता, right?
Yeah, in this because there is no racket, so just going there, lunging with the right leg, it helps strengthen your glute and hamstrings. And then you
And then?
put it this side. Yeah. Then you take the other one, you put it here,
Okay, oh, okay.
here. Then take this shuttle,
हाँ,
take this, and then to that corner.
that corner.
And then from that to this, so
And now there and
there to
and come back here.
yeah. Yeah.
That's it. Court pay, you know. It's incredible how you're the third generational talent prodigy to come out Almora से. What a proud moment it must be for your dad. जब आप वर्ल्ड जूनियर नंबर 1 बने, कॉमनवेल्थ गोल्ड जीता, ओलंपिक्स. हाउ वाज इट लाइक? कितने स्ट्रिक्ट थे? क्योंकि कभी कभी अगर आपके अपने फादर आपके कोच हों और बाकियों के भी कोच हों तो अपने बेटे या बेटी को एग्जाम्पल बनाना पड़ता है कि आई एम गोना बी स्ट्रिक्ट विद दिस वन एज वेल. हाउ डिड ही बैलेंस दैट कि आई एम योर डैड एज वेल बट आई एम योर कोच?
बचपन से ही जब से आई थिंक हम लोग बैडमिंटन खेल रहे हैं, आई लुक अप टू माई डैड कि उनको मैं खेलते हुए देखता था पहले. द डिसिप्लिन दैट ही टॉट अस, मी एंड माई ब्रदर, आई थिंक वो हमारे साथ पूरी लाइफ रहेगा. अगर हम भी लेट आते थे ट्रेनिंग में या फॉर सम रीज़न तो हमें भी डांट पड़ती थी. इफ द टाइम इज 6 o'clock, इफ वी reach by 6:05, it's not acceptable. You have to reach before, you have to come on time. बचपन में बहुत हम लोग को like discipline के वजह से ऐसे हमें strict थे हमारे साथ डैड. He has also been the part of my journey. Career बचपन से लेके अभी तक he has seen me grow as a player. He has been there for my matches, sat behind. I know I've seen so many times that he is under so much tension कि पीछे से बैठ के, but he doesn't want to show it. Those crucial moments. So yeah, I think one of the memories that I have with him, like which will stay with me, was my first World Championship event. So he was sitting behind me in the whole tournament. He was traveling, and I think it was a quarter-final match, very close, third set, where I was playing against the Chinese. If I won that match, the medal was confirmed. Last के points में 18 all, 19 all, he just go all out attack. Don't think too much. Just be there. And then when I won it, I was under so much pressure, and then I was just look at him and just go all out. Don't try and wait for the chances. Take your chances and play. कुछ नहीं होगा. Just be. Don't be afraid to play. I think we have done so much. इतने साल का it will come. You just keep fighting. You just keep being there. It will come. And then when I won that match and I hugged him, I think that it was a very special moment that I have with him.
Strict on discipline, basics, respect the game. उसमें बिल्कुल आनाकानी नहीं चलेगी, लेकिन रिजल्ट का डर नहीं है, राइट? रिजल्ट का डर नहीं है कि कोच क्या बोलेंगे या पापा क्या बोलेंगे. दैट इज अमेजिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन आई थिंक फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस एंड फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वाचिंग दिस. अब चलते हैं. आई एम अ वेरी energize a bunny. अभी मेरे को जिम जाना है. So we'll go to the gym and figure out for a badminton athlete what are the main important muscle groups and आपका gym routine क्या है. चलें जिम? Let's go. देखो जिम तो मैं भी रेगुलरली जाता हूँ, लेकिन आज एक फ़र्क पता चला है. जो एथलीट्स का जिम होता है ना, उसमें शीशे नहीं लगे होते चेकआउट करने के लिए. उसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ फोकस मशीन्स पे. वेयर अगेन एट दिस इनक्रेडिबल जिम एट द सेंटर फॉर स्पोर्ट्स एक्सीलेंस वेयर ऑल डिफरेंट स्पोर्ट्स के एथलीट्स आर ट्रेनिंग. बट हमारा लक्ष्य सेन पे है. लाइक एन एथलीट का टेक अवे सेगमेंट का टाइम आ गया. टेक अवे मेरे लिए, आप सबके लिए है, दैट फॉर ऑल अस रिक्रिएशनल प्लेयर्स या फिर जो यंग प्लेयर्स हैं, से वी डोंट हैव एन एक्सेस टू द जिम, मेक अस अ क्विक सर्किट. लक्ष्य की we don't get injured and we also build our strength.
Okay. I have like few exercises in mind where you don't need a lot of weight, you don't need any equipment as such. So we will. It's more so like a pre-match routine. Also, you can follow it.
Perfect.
Follow it where I know a lot of people just want to play and don't want to really warm themselves up. So this can be a good routine for them. So we'll start with few stretches. And then few important ones like shoulder, your hips, your again your ankles, and then some basic shoulder like strength workouts, and some legs workout, and at the end just do some plyos and some jumps, so you're ready to go on court.
Sounds like a बड़ा छोटा सा workout. चल लक्ष्य.
So for the shoulder, a lot of like eccentric work and just firing the small muscles around the shoulder, because we all work on the big muscles, and the muscles which are like really small, the tendons, those gets neglected.
Injury वहीं से आती है ना?
वहीं से आती है. But it starts there, and then your whole shoulder is not working. So again, in the beginning, go very light on the weight, and then so just very simple 5 counts back. Then again, like,
and 5 counts back.
5 counts back, and then again. Try
So this is, yeah. I mean, I actually do that for a bit of my rehab as well. One last try on the left.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I just wanted to see कि हम में से बहुत लोग fitness enthusiasts जो हैं, आपके पास स्मार्ट वॉच होगी, आपके पास Whoop होगा, which monitors our heart rate and calories and all of that stuff. But I want to compare this to this champion athlete. So recovery is 54, but what is your heart rate variability?
My HRV is around 55 right now, and it's mostly around this, where it's 60, 55, 60, and it doesn't like drastically change. If it changes, then you know there's maybe overtraining, or maybe the loads are high or not slept well. So
You sleep well? You're a good sleeper?
yeah, I sleep very well, but again, I've come back from Europe now, so yeah, the jet lag, when that hits, it's really hard to fall asleep, or maybe sometimes in the day you're just sleepy and stuff. So as an athlete, you have to consider those things. But again, if I'm in a routine, I sleep around 7 to 8 hours every night, and then once those are done, I'm up. Like I don't want to sleep more, because then you just being lazy, and it drains you even more. Like if you sleep
7-8 घंटे good sound sleep.
good sound sleep, and then if you find time, maybe 1 hour, 1.5 hour of nap in the afternoon.
दोपहर को जब भी.
That works very well for me.
Yeah. When you actually do these time zones, then because you play, I mean, you're playing in Scandinavian countries, Europe में खेल रहे हो, or you're going to the southeast and all of that, to get back quickly into the time zone sometimes, do you maybe take a medicine or something?
No, we usually travel 3-4 days early before the match to just get used to the time. And if it's an important event, maybe a week prior, like if it's a World Championships or an All England, you want to be there in that time zone maybe a week or 2 weeks before.
So no melatonin or anything?
No, I try to avoid it how much ever I can. I take my regular medicine, like other magnesium, vitamin C, all those things I continue, and then just get into the sleep. Especially going to Europe, going back in time, it's easier. If you go to China, Japan, all those countries, they are a bit ahead in time, so it's a bit difficult there.
Resting heart rate?
So my resting heart rate today is 46. Again, it's a training week, a Wednesday, so 2 days of good training. Maybe Saturday we take a break, and then Sunday we have like a full day off. So then Monday I want to target it to like 42, 41.
41, 42.
Where I know I have the full recovery throughout the weekend, and I can push the whole week.
I mean, early 40s, we're talking about almost getting into the marathoner zone. उनकी resting heart rate होती है early 40s, late 30s. And the one final thing is VO2 max, which is how your body processes oxygen and how much more you can do.
So yeah, when we do those testings, it has been around 57, 58.
Wow!
And the best I've gone to like 62 or something, maybe 2 years back or something.
62.
But now it's been around 58, and I targeted to keep it around 60 mark. That is good enough for me. If it drops down, then it's a sign that okay, I have to
push it up again.
Work on my training, the endurance workouts.
भाई पहाड़ी हवा में पड़ा हुआ है, अल्मोड़ा का लड़का है, इनकी VO2 max अच्छी नहीं होगी तो किसकी होगी? हमारी थोड़ी होगी. लेकिन now we will head to थोड़े खाने पीने के लिए, because the most important fact, as you know by now on these episodes, is nutrition. We'll talk about the mental makeup and nutrition. Cafe journey.
Let's go.
देखिए वैसे तो सेंटर ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स एक्सीलेंस में बहुत सारे कैफेज हैं, देयर आर लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ हेल्दी ऑप्शंस, एंड आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड वन ऑफ दोस. लेकिन लक्ष्य वेरी क्यूटली हैज गॉट अ कपल ऑफ होम पैक्ड न्यूट्रिशन आइटम्स. फ्रूट्स, और ऊपर वाले में क्या है?
Again, some fruits.
इसमें भी फ्रूट्स हैं.
इसमें अनार है.
हाँ.
पील एकदम ready to just eat. And then there are some like different fruits in this.
नाशपाती, पपीता, अमरूद,
एप्पल शायद.
सो ये मम्मी ने काट के रेडी
करके सुबह सेशन आने से पहले आई गेट दीज 2 बॉक्स रेडी टेबल पे रखा रहता है. जस्ट कीप इट इन माय किड बैग एंड जस्ट ब्रिंग इट.
देखो हमें तो हमारे लिए मम्मी या पापा कोई लंच पैक करते थे ना स्कूल जाते हुए. बट इज इट ट्रू दैट इवन टुडे आपकी न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट हैं, बट ऑल ऑफ योर मील्स इज डन बाय आंटी? मम्मी बनाती है सब कुछ अभी भी?
यस, घर पे जब भी हम रहते हैं तो मतलब मेरी न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट है, तो मैं उनके साथ जब भी अपना सेशन होता है या जब भी मैं उनसे इंटरेक्ट करता हूँ तो मैं, मम्मी और मेरी न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट मैम शमा मैम, वी सिट टुगेदर एंड देन वी डिस्कस द प्लान, क्या क्या चल रहा है, कैसे तुम्हें मील्स चाहिए, एंड देन शी वुड जस्ट प्रिपेयर अ चार्ट एंड देन गिव इट टू मम्मी, एंड देन घर पे मुझे whenever I'm leaving for training खाना रेडी रहता है विद लाइक मम्मी को पूरा अपडेट रहता है कि क्या क्या बनाना है, किस टाइम पे क्या देना है, एंड देन वंस वी आर बैक फ्रॉम ट्रेनिंग तब क्या जाना है प्लेट में, एवरीथिंग इज़ प्रिपेयर्ड, एंड देन ट्रेनिंग के बाद when I know I have to take my protein shake and then some fruits with this. So because training करके when we go back it's a 10-15 minutes drive, so she's like you just eat this and come back home and then you
सब रेडी है.
सब ready है घर आके. She knows if we have gone for training at 9, so we'll be back by 11:30, 12. So the moment we are back, the food is ready, we eat and then I take a nap, and then again evening session से पहले there's again like a oatmeal ready for me to just eat it and then just go for training so that I am not going to training again hungry. And then again evening my dabba with proteins, and then come back at home by 6:30, have my dinner, and then dinner is ready when I
It is ready.
Yeah.
My question is, and ये बड़ा इंडियन सवाल है,
Yeah.
क्या आंटी को सबसे पहले सैक्रिफाइस ये करना पड़ा कि माँ का प्यार जो खाने में जाता है,
हाँ.
न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट ने सबसे पहले ये बोला कि आंटी माँ का प्यार नहीं, सिर्फ जो लिखा है वही डालना है, या हमेशा से हेल्दी बनाती थी वो?
नहीं, वो हेल्दी ऑप्शंस ही चूज, बट मतलब उनके साथ मैं ऐसा था कि मम्मी को समझाना कि सिर्फ दाल रोटी चावल ही खाना नहीं है, उसमें थोड़ा टाइम लगा. where my nutritionist would say have a pasta, have a mashed potato, have a chicken breast, and that's a whole meal. And then मम्मी को समझाना कि मम्मी बोलती थी अच्छा ये तो खा लेंगे, फिर इसके बाद खाना कब खाएगा कि जब
खाना मतलब दाल चावल
रोटी सब्जी. तो बट वो चेंज आया धीरे धीरे. देन शी अंडरस्टूड एंड शी आल्सो ट्रैवल्ड हमारे साथ टूर्नामेंट में, तो शी सॉ कि एवरीवेयर यू डोंट गेट योर होम फूड एवरीथिंग, सो यू हैव टू have those pastas, those rice balls, and I also eat in like a soup bowl where I just put all the vegetables, chicken, and then some maybe noodles or rice in it. So it's like a stock where everything inside, and you just have to eat it. So for her also to मतलब understand तो थोड़ा time लगा, but then she's like ठीक है, दिस इज फूड. एंड देन अभी 4-5 साल से शी हैज मूव टू बैंगलोर, तो तब से हम लोग का जो डाइट है, न्यूट्रिशन है, आई थिंक दैट शी टेक्स केयर ऑफ इट वेरी वेल. एंड और मतलब वो ऐसा रहता भी है कि कभी यार ठीक है अगर एवरी डे वो सेम खाना हो रहा है तो देन शी प्रिपेयर समथिंग कि जो पसंद है. एंड देन देयर आर ऑप्शंस वेयर मम्मी को पता है कि ये सब अच्छे ऑप्शंस हैं या दे लाइक ईटिंग दैट, सो मे बी इफ रोज रोज सेम हो रहा है तो देन शी चेंजेस टू डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस. बट वो सब न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट से बात करके एंड देन व्हिचएवर इज अलाउड शी प्रिपेयर्स दैट. एंड
एक दिन में ट्रेनिंग डे में, एंड आई एम गेसिंग ट्रेनिंग डे का न्यूट्रिशन और टूर्नामेंट डे का न्यूट्रिशन अलग है. ट्रेनिंग डे में हाउ मेनी कैलोरीज रफली डू यू थिंक यू एंड अप बर्निंग?
ट्रेनिंग डे में थोड़ा ज़्यादा रहता है. अराउंड इफ इन अ सेशन इट वुड बी, if it's a 2-hour session or something, it would be around 2000 to like more or less.
तो पूरे दिन का अगर ऐड अप करें अराउंड 4000 5000 calories. So your intake is how much?
Intake is like again depending on how much I burn. So we have the weekly schedule with us. तो उसके हिसाब से then I give the schedule to the nutritionist. She calculates everything, and then so then I don't get into so many details of calculating it, and then she.
पर ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत खाना पड़ता है, मतलब 3000 कैलोरीज अगर कंज्यूम करनी है, still you're in deficit. But 3000 calories भी कंज्यूम करना is very hard यार.
But anyway, if you have more also, you can burn it out the next day, and then वो balance out हो जाता है, because our in training weeks the loads are so high that anyways कहीं ना कहीं वो settle हो जाता है.
Okay, you know, we prepared a fun little rapid fire for you. Let's get to know you more.
Yeah.
What's the most superstitious thing, if you are superstitious, which you do match के पहले, which could also be a routine, but something not entirely related to the sport?
Not before the match. anything particular. I just listen to my music, and but whenever I walk into the court, there are like two boxes of kit bag where you can place your kit bag. I always keep it on the far end.
Okay.
ऐसा कोई सुपरस्टिशन नहीं है, बस स्टार्टिंग में ऐसा ही लगता था कि अगर मैं आगे वाले में रख दूंगा तो क्या पता मेरी बात ना सुन ले, मेरे और मेरे कोच के बीच की बात ना सुन ले सामने वाला. तो जस्ट कीप इट ऑन द फार एंड. नाउ समटाइम्स व्हेन माय डैड और माय कोच दे हेल्प मी pick the kit bag, I tell them no, पीछे वाले में रखो,
पीछे वाले में रखो.
So that's the only thing I know, but otherwise I'm not like very superstitious.
Okay. If you could challenge a non-badminton celebrity to a match, who would it be and why?
So many, but if I have to give one, maybe Messi,
Leo.
Messi.
Who's that one athlete who has really inspired you and जिससे आपको मिलने का मौका भी मिला है?
Probably Lindan. In
During the Kings Cup, or you'd met him before?
No, I have played with him. I've played with him. I was just
oh yeah, back end of his career, right?
Yeah. So he was just almost 37, 36, and then he was still playing a few tournaments in New Zealand, which were not like very high level, like not the 1000 or the 750. It was more like 300 or 100, super 100, where he was participating, and I got to play against him. And that time the draw used to come 2 weeks prior, and I saw the draw, and I was supposed to play him on the second round, and I was just super excited after seeing the draw. Ki obviously I had seen him before, like playing matches India Open या कहीं पे, but I have not actually like played with him or spoken to him. So that was my first chance to like play with him. I was so excited. I won my first round, and वो मेरे दिमाग में था कि भाई बस इससे खेलना है जाके. And I was 16 that time, still playing in the juniors, but I used to play few tournaments in the seniors as well. I was the top junior. I stopped playing the other junior tournaments, only the major, maybe the Junior World Championships, Junior Asian Championship. I used to play that and participate in all the senior categories. So that is how I got to play against him. And when I went onto the court, I was still like, भाई ये मेरे आगे चल रहा है, like ये बंदा. I've seen him for a very long time on TV, हर जगह, और वो मैं खेल रहा हूँ. And then और वो शाम का मैच था, because Lindan was playing, तो पूरा crowd उसके लिए आया था, all Chinese people in New Zealand match, and I won the first round. पूरे hall में first set, I won the first set, और पूरे hall में सन्नाटा, and I'm like,
मैंने नहीं किया, सॉरी,
ये गलती से हो गया क्या? तो फिर but then second and third round I scored. First set I won 21-16 or something. Very close match. पूरा end change करते करते तक मैं बस थक गया था पूरा, कि completely exhausted. Then the second and third set he just toured around and won very easily.
My last question for you, Lakshya, is the first question that came to my mind when we knew that we were going to shoot with you. मैं जब भी बैडमिंटन या कोई भी इंडिविजुअल स्पोर्ट देखता हूँ, उसमें जो क्रंच मोमेंट्स आते हैं ना, बैडमिंटन में उतना नहीं होता. लेकिन जब कोई रैकेट तोड़ रहा है, जब अपने आप से बात कर रहा है, जब आप लीड में हो और वो सेट हाथ से निकल रहा है, वो मैच हाथ से निकल रहा है, especially when there's something at stake. And with your permission, I just want to talk about that semi-final, right, where a bronze medal at the Olympics was in sight. You'd already made history. You'd made it to semi-finals. आप पहला सेट जीत जाते हो. Here's an opponent you've beaten before, and फिर he wins 5 points. How tough is it at that level in an individual sport when you're fighting an opponent and you're fighting yourself here? How tough is it? How do you train your mind for that?
Yes, it also comes with a lot of experience. Over the years, you play, and then especially that thing you mentioned, like losing 5 points in a row, and that is I think if I look back at it, maybe personally I would have maybe taken a longer break, maybe try and break his rhythm a little bit more, and try and find answers. Yes, it was working in the first set, it was working until now. Suddenly, like it's changing a little bit. So maybe be aware of, maybe have a plan B, what can I do next, or maybe. So at that time, a lot of the things come to your mind, and if you just try and think about the situation कि वो 4 चले गए, वो अब 5 चले गए, and then the pressure keeps building. So at that time, just try and focus on the tactics कि आप क्या change कर सकते हो game में to break his rhythm, and then try and take breaks in between. वो सब there are things you can obviously do to change that, but I think for me especially वो time पे I think I hurried up a little bit उसके बाद, like 3-4 point जाने के बाद भी, and then once I again started winning few points, तो फिर थोड़ा और pressure build हो गया था तब तक. तो I think as an athlete आप सीखते हो काफ़ी कुछ, एंड आई थिंक वो एक ओलंपिक्स एक्सपीरियंस जो था मेरा, उससे मैं आई थिंक बहुत कुछ सीखा हूँ, एंड बहुत सारे अच्छे मेमोरीज हैं, बहुत सारी मतलब ख़राब मेमोरीज भी हैं, बिकॉज आई
लाइफ ऑफ एन एथलीट
came so close to a medal, and but
और उस टाइम अंदर से आवाज़ आती है, देख लक्ष्य तेरे हाथ से निकल रहा है वो मेडल. Is it only human?
I think उस टाइम पे तो मुझे नहीं लग रहा था, बिकॉज आई वॉज inside to just fight every point, like even forget the score line, I was just trying to
point by point
wo, like as an athlete we keep traveling, we keep playing all the matches, so once we are in it, so it's just the opponent and the player you have to beat. So
nice, yeah,
so
good
उस
point.
टाइम पे मुझे इतना ये नहीं लग रहा था कि obviously वो मैच के पहले, मैच के बाद, या in between also there was this thing कि there's a medal at stake, there's a lot more added pressure, but I think until the end I was just focusing on how can I win this point, how can I win the next point, let me just keep fighting, forget the scores, the thoughts will come, it's not, you can't stop them, but first thing is to, okay, it will come, it is very natural to come that okay medal जा रहा है, ये जा रहा है, but shut that off, try and think what you can do right now, maybe that's the best thing you can do, like keep fighting until the end.
We are very sure, Lakshya. I can literally, if you want, I would. अगर मैं वापस जाके वो सारी chats निकालूँ ना, whenever you played. I mean, I think since 20, 21, 22, everyone is saying Lakshya Sen is the next big thing. I don't think you're the next big thing. You are the big thing. Your entire batch, I think, is a big thing. Indian badminton के लिए. La Chapelle, Paris में नहीं तो क्या? अगले Olympics में we will back you the same way. We know that you're an incredible athlete, and वो Olympics medal या बाकी championships आज नहीं तो कल आएगा. You are an inspiration, and thank you so much for taking time out for us. I hope you enjoyed the conversation as well.
No, thank you so much for having me, and it was a lovely day talking about the training, and I think again connecting with people, what goes in the training, in the gym, and just some fun chats. So yeah.
अभी next time when you meet me, I promise you, Laksh, मेरी जो smash होगी वो 40 किलोमीटर नहीं 140 पे तो होगी कम से कम. Yeah, thank you to you. Say hello to auntie. Thank you to uncle, and we will see you on the court with the tricolor and with the medal soon.
Thank you.